Our high-tech quality control ensures every step, from raw material selection to carbonation and high-speed filling, meets global standards.
Raw material batch 001, accepted for Coca-Cola syrup production.
Activating plasma grinders. Synchronization levels stable, Zara?
Frequencies aligned, Doctor. Particle count steady at 8 microns.
The efficiency readings on the chiral separation are exceeding projections.
3,000 psi is holding steady. We have a perfect yield.
The color depth is exactly right for the Coca-Cola syrup, Doctor.
Perfect, Professor. It's ready for the blending vats.
The matrix reports 99% purity.
And the aroma balance is confirmed.
Homogenization complete. Consistency is perfect.
Excellent, Farhan. We are cleared for bottling.
Initiating mass batch sequence 9.
Viscosity holding steady at target levels, Doctor.
Scanners confirm optimal density and sweetness. Batch approved.
All systems indicate optimal viscosity and CO2 retention, Maria.
Confirmed, Doctor. Refrigeration jackets are stable across the network. Cold pulse initiated. Omar, stabilize the thermal ramps.
Ramps adjusting smoothly, Doctor. Maintaining 3.2 Celsius, no CO2 loss.
Viscosity levels are optimal. The batch is approved.
Excellent. Rerouting to carbonation.
Integrity scans are green across the board, Doctor.
Purity levels holding steady, Engineer. We are ready for infusion sequence.
Stable hold mode engaged. Farah, confirm cryoseal integrity.
Temperatures are stable, Doctor. Carbonation retention is at 99%.
The nano leak detectors are deployed, Doctor. CO2 levels look good.
Confirmed, Engineer. The syrup is stable and ready for bottling.
Calibration complete. Density and sweetness are perfect.
Excellent work, Mustafa.
Transfer of Coca-Cola active.
Temperature stable at 3 degrees Celsius.
Flow rate adjusted.
No CO2 loss detected.
There they are, perfectly formed. The adjustments worked.
Excellent work, Helena. The line is running smoothly. Anomaly detected on the holographic view. Brent, check the stress patterns.
Confirmed. Ejecting now.
The routing algorithms are set for the new 2.25s.
Monitor the flow rate closely.
Initiate multi-cycle sterilization.
Confirmed, Doctor. Optimal temperature and ozone concentration achieved. The bottles are sterile. Main diverter activated. Pressure stabilizing at optimal levels. All 6 lines are green.
Nanolaser shows perfect saturation levels on the 500 milliliter line.
Excellent. 2.25 liter batch.
The calibration looks stable on the holographic projection.
Yes, Doctor. All channels are running at precise volume. Integration complete.
Look at that precision. Every bottle receiving the exact volume.
The integration hub is performing flawlessly, Doctor.
The flow sensors are steady at 250 ml. Carbonation loss is negligible.
Sensor array looks optimal, Farah. The actuators are compensating perfectly.
Agreed, Amelia. The fields are stable. We are ready.
The alignment and volume are stable across
And
the
the
line.
quantity is exact. The AI builds everything.
We have inconsistent saturation levels at nozzle 7. See the spikes here.
Adjusting the flow rate now, doctor. Readings are stabilizing.
Synchronization is holding steady across all 6 lines.
And the live count confirms we're exceeding the target, Doctor.
Flow rates are stable across all splitters, Doctor.
Confirmed, Hana. Carbonation and density are well within parameters for the bulk transfer. Coca-Cola carbonation uniform across all batches. Bulk Coca-Cola syrup meets all standards.
Line 3 is at 90% capacity.
CO2 levels stable across the matrix, Engar Bashir. We are ready for the transfer.
Verification complete. All levels are stable.
Alignment is precise, Doctor. We are ready to proceed.
The production phase is complete. Check the synchronization again.
Confirmed, Doctor. We are ready for bottling and branding.
Flawless execution, Ahmad. The etching and fill levels are exact. The verification is complete, Doctor. Ready for batch printing.
It looks like the calibration holds. Check the main display.
Confirmed, Farah. 100% accurate on all sizes.
The new dimensions for the 2.25-liter crates are active.
Alignment is perfect, Henry. No microfractures detected.
All Coca-Cola bottles packed correctly.
Sensor readings confirm perfect retention.
Good. The system shows green across the board. Verified.
All routes confirmed for the Asia-Pacific run.
Vibration and temperature are optimal, Helena. We are good to go.
Check the carbonation on the 500 ml line, Omar.
Already on it, Doctor. Flow stabilized.
Excellent. Final verification approved. Looks like we have full integrity across the line, Nina.
Confirmed. The seal is perfect.
Structural integrity is optimal, Sophie.
Confirmed, Doctor. The arms are syncing with the new crate specs now. The count is rising steadily.
All Coca-Cola bottles packed without damage.
Henry, confirm the Jakarta shipment count.
Bottle count verified, Dr. Fortis. The AGVs are loading now.
I've stabilized the airflow in Zone 3. The carbonation levels are secure.
Excellent. The robotics are running smoothly now.
The center of gravity is within tolerance, Mike.
Force sensors confirm a stable load signature, Doctor. Ready for sign-off.
Ensure the Coca-Cola pallets are routed to Dock 3 first.
Collision sensors are calibrated for the new layout, Sophia.
Carbonation is stable across all samples, Dr. Sorensen.
Confirmed. All crates cleared for international shipping.
Lane 3 confirmed for Coca-Cola export. Proceed with loading.
Hold it right there. Perfect alignment.
Strap secured, Doctor.
Domestic Coca-Cola truck loaded, ready for departure.
Every bottle has passed strict quality checks, carbonation standards, freshness tests, and hygiene inspections.